everybody.
That was hilarious.
Keep going, keep up. We're rolling.
Okay. Well, we are out and about today.
We are headed on our second journey to waterfalls.
Yeah. We are going
I like
to
that. Journey
to
into
the
waterfalls. Okay, we're not journeying into the
Wild
waterfalls.
and wonderful waterfalls.
We're going to...
It went black.
No, it didn't.
Oh.
Keep rolling.
The polarization on your
Sorry.
We are going to Kanawha Falls and to Cathedral Falls today.
We're going to knock out
You've seen them both in our videos before. They're both east of Charleston towards the Golly Mountains and all that way, so where Hawk's Nest is. But they're part of the Waterfall Trail system, so we're going to hit those again and get you some video and some information. And I guess that's all we have to say.
Yeah, that's for now.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's head toward Fayette County. Toward the waterfalls, we decided we needed a drink.
The opposite way.
The opposite direction. So we headed down to South Charleston. And where we're centrally located in Charleston, nothing's really out of the way, and so it wasn't a big deal. But our first trip to South Charleston Nutrition. And shout out to Beverly Joplin for sending us here because it's really good. They have tea-based drinks and shakes. I don't know much about the shakes.
We'll try those next time.
Yeah, definitely want to try one of those.
We've been here once.
Yeah. Greg's is a beauty drink. He got the Moana.
And does he mean it?
It's biotin and collagen is why it's called a beauty drink. They add that to it. The regular teas are vitamin B complex, C, aloe for digestion.
Now, if any of you know what that means, leave it in the comments because I have no idea what she's saying.
Hunter got a beach bum.
I got a
which
cup
is
of red.
Also a green tea base, and
it's got a lot of fruit in it, lemon, lime, like cherry, mango, and coconut, I think.
Yeah, and this one had so many, like I can't even tell you, grape and
coconut a fruit.
Pomegranate, some kind of blue sweet tart thing. I don't know, but anyway, so far, we don't get to try Hunter's. Only Hunter does, and he seems to like it.
It's tart.
Yeah, he was worried it'd be too sweet for morning. Greg's is kind of an orangey, coconut, tropical feel. Really good. I really like it, and I like mine as well, which is Sandy Beach. And
no sand, by the way.
No, there was no sand in it, but it is very good. So if you're out and about, stop by South Charleston Nutrition. Check them out. After our drinks, we were headed up to the waterfalls, and we ended up stopping because we were hungry.
Where did we stop?
We stopped at the Burger Carte in Smithers. We are still in Smithers. Anyhow.
True.
I've always wanted to stop here, and we just never had. I got a classic cheeseburger. Hunter, you got a double.
I got a double. Hey guys, I'm here too. I got a double cheeseburger and an order of cheese fries.
And Greg got what they call the Big Owl, which is like an Italian sandwich.
And he still has it.
With a special twist. It was really good. And then we got onion rings to split. Anyway, really good. I would, if you're on the road and you want something and you're in this area, I would suggest stopping. I enjoyed it. So that's the Burger Carte in Smithers. guys.
Hey guys.
So we finally made it to the first falls, which is Kanawha Falls.
Come on, folks.
Ta-da.
Fayette County, West Virginia.
It's actually right below. Yeah.
It's 2 miles southwest of Gully Bridge and 0.6 miles downstream from the waterfall is a unincorporated town with the same name, Kanawha Falls.
Yep.
So.
And it's right below the convergence of the New and Gauley River.
Yes.
So the Gauley River comes into the New.
And I don't know. Oh, the Gauley River and the New come in and make the Kanawha.
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah, that runs through Charleston.
And
where we
the
live.
New River runs backward, so it runs south to north.
Yep.
Yeah. So.
But there's a power plant, the big building right there. That is a power plant, and the hydroelectric, and then up the river, there's also a larger hydroelectric power plant that runs too.
Yeah.
So, but we're going to put the drone up and get some drone shots of the full falls because they go all the way across the river.
Now I do want to mention before we cut to the drone footage, normally there's a little walkway right here and we're standing on it, but where the water's so hot because of recent rain, there is no walkway.
Yeah.
Yeah, so welcome to Kanawha Falls in Fayette County, West Virginia.
Ta-da!
You hear this?
Hey guys.
Okay, so we're 1 mile east now of Kanawha Falls where we were, in Gully Bridge, and we are at one of the highest and most scenic waterfalls in West Virginia. And it's easy to visit for anybody.
Yeah.
It's right on the road, nice parking. Greg, show them the parking.
Ta-da!
Right there on 60, it's very easy to come to. Has a little bridge across the creek, easy to walk up to. the waterfall itself is like 61 feet. Drop, yeah, 61 foot drop. Oh, and it's Cathedral Falls, if I didn't say that.
It's actually right at the foot of the Gully Mountains. Before you start up the mountain, out of Gully Bridge, it's off to the left.
It is one of West Virginia's highest and most scenic waterfalls. It is billed as that. So, yeah.
So we're gonna, and I mean, this place is always packed, and of course, if it rains, the water flows harder over the hill or over the falls.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's really awesome when there's a lot of rain. Yeah. But we're in the trail, and there are people coming, so we should move on.
Yeah.
Let's go check out the falls.
So we're on?
Yep.
Okay guys, so that's it for this edition of the West Virginia Waterfall Trail. Again, that's number 2. If you haven't seen the first one, we went to the grotto.
Coonskin Grotto.
Coonskin. And so go back and watch that one.
And
But
this brings us up to waterfall number 3. We've hit 3 out of 29, 31, depending on how you count it.
And so we're getting our first reward. We got text messages that said, you have won your West Virginia Waterfall Trail sticker.
And we'll show you that just as soon as we get it.
Yeah, so we have to click the link that was in the text and go and claim it, and they will mail it to us.
I thought it was a scam text at first.
Yeah, but it was a reward, and that's exciting.
Who knows what it looks like? We don't.
So we have got 28 more of these to do.
Yep.
So we hope you enjoy this. But I'll have the link to the West Virginia Waterfall Trails app in the description below.
Yeah.
And also the the link to the
South Charleston Nutrition.
yeah, South Charleston Nutrition.
Yeah.
And if you've been there, tell us what you like to get there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah, because this was our first time there,
Yeah.
and you know, we really didn't know what to
It
get.
was kind
but
of overwhelming looking
Yeah.
at the menu.
There was a lot of stuff. They had a menu, and then they had a menu, and then they had a third menu. It was wild.
But anyway, thanks for coming on this adventure, and we will see you guys.
Hey, wait a second.
What?
If you like this video, be sure to like it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I like that number going up. Be sure to ring the bell so you know when wherever we go next. Could be another waterfall, could be another restaurant. Only time will tell. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram.
Yep, that's it.
You know, follow us on Twitter and MySpace. We don't have those, but go ahead, follow us on there. I think that's everything as far as shilling goes.
Okay. Well, thanks for coming on this adventure, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.